Hello everyone, welcome to another house tour happening here at La Vista Monte, Phase 2. La Vista Monte is located in Balusong, Matina, Davao City. It's very near downtown Davao, and if you're also looking into enrolling your kids in Ateneo Senior High, this property is just 2 kilometers away from Ateneo. And to give you a summary of this property has a total lot area of 723 square meters with 3 bedrooms in the main house and then 3 toilet and bath, 2 maids quarter on a separate house. So this is the backyard portion of the house where the maid's quarter is located, and this is where the spacious dirty kitchen is also located with some open space which you can renovate or improve later on. Now let's go to the other side of the house. This is actually leading to the side door that leads you to the kitchen, and this shows us that this property also is not attached to the other property, so it has setbacks. So this is the main door, and it has 2 sliding doors. The other one leads you to the kitchen and this one leads you to the living room. And if you notice the painting and other decorations in the house, it looks like the house has this Thai theme in it. So tara, let's go upstairs and check out what's in store for us there. And surprise, this is the second floor of the house, and it also has a living space over here, or a welcome area, and you'll have this bedroom here, and this is your bathroom with tub, and you can see through your bedroom in your balcony over there. And that's your bedroom. That's your bed over there, and this is your walk-in closet, a huge one, and it also has this view of your pool, maybe while you're changing clothes or you're still choosing your clothes. And the last part of the house is the attic, which this attic could also accommodate several people because it's also huge, and it has modular cabinets in it also. And if you are interested to check this property, give me a call so that we can give you a house tour and we can show you around the community of La Vista Monte. Once again, this is Merlin Del Rosario, the Wandering Broker, and to get updates on our upcoming house tours or great deals here in Davao City, Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel so that you will be updated. Thanks for watching this video. Bye!